What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 12.2. And this jailbreak works on any iOS 12 device, on any iOS 12 version up to iOS 12.2 currently. And as you can see, I'm not jailbroken and I do not have Cydia installed. So now what you do is start your Safari browser and go to this address here, untill.com. On here they will explain how this works, and they will tell you that you can't install Cydia on a device that is not jailbroken because Apple has not approved that app. But you can of course install apps that Apple has approved. So they simply hide Cydia inside of an approved application. So when the result is that you get an approved application that has Cydia hidden inside of it. So when you start this application, then the jailbreaking Cydia will start in the background. So head over to untill.com and scroll to the bottom and click on this icon here at the bottom. There you will get to the Jailbreak Injected Apps store. All of these apps are of course 100% free. So just going to pick an app and install it. Sometimes these apps get patched, so if the first app doesn't work, then just simply try the next. Usually it works either way though. Now what you do is you start this app and you keep it running for about 30 seconds. It doesn't really matter what you do inside of the app, as long as you keep it running for about 30 seconds. And that's the important thing. So we should see soon if it worked or not. Anytime now. Or not. Might have been patched. Let's try another one. And of course all of the apps, like I said, are 100% free. So let's try this one. Hopefully this one will work. Now, like I said, the important thing here is to keep the app running for about 30 seconds or so. So hopefully we should see something soon. There we go. That's the respring we were waiting for. That means that the jailbreak is finished and the installation of Cydia has been completed. And there it is. And that's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 12.2. You will get this the first time you start up Cydia. I'm just going to ignore it now for now. But yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any comments, suggestions, whatever, just put them in the comment section, and please don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.